Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to go over successful solution method. Now, what exactly is successful solution method and what are the tasks? So, pretty much I'm going to go over it with you right now. It's different training units and modules on how to build your business via Facebook and other platforms like YouTube as well too. Now, for example, this is one of the members right here, Opa Hopper. She made a $50. Like I said, just still doing completing this simple task. All right. And another example, this gentleman Kofi, he made $250 in the last 24 hours. This is just keep in mind, this is just in one day. All right. And he put not this is not his first commission. He said boom, another boom. What a great way to start the week. Bless you, Amanda Ray, for this great opportunity in successful solution method. It's a game changer. And I mean, I definitely agree. It is a game changer. Now, there's more proof, and this is the results of the tasks that are being completed. So this gentleman's engagement is up from when he first started with us. All right. And she was doing a lot in a live yesterday. All right. Another person here. She joined. She recently joined, and she already made $50. Now, keep in mind, before some of these people have never earned money online before joining the system. All right. Let me show you some other examples of people making money online. And this is another example of the training being put in. All right. And this is her results from the training. Her engagement shot up from the different likes in the comments. And so let's see, let's go down here. Another person making a lot of money with the program, Jeanette Margaret. She made $250 and another $150. So that was a $400 day right there. So all right. And then let me go into my back office real quick and show you little of my results. And I haven't been, this is just with me not even promoting it that much. And just refresh my screen again. All right, so $150 today, and in getting a lot of traffic so far. All right, the more opt-ins, the more traffic going to your business, you'll get more sales with that way. All right, and I'm using a new system, a new platform to get leads. All right, and that's called Leads Leap by just posting free ads onto a platform to get more leads to my business. Now, what you could do inside of here, let me just open it up real quick here. And go into the members area of successful solution method. I suggest you start here. Click on where it says start here. All right, the first thing you're going to do is join our Facebook group. Next thing you're going to do is register as an affiliate, and then you're going to increase your commissions. All right, and the step 4 is very important. You do have to purchase traffic. Now, I do highly recommend this traffic. It's warm leads that already agreed to. They already want to start a business, so it's not like cold traffic like solo ads or anything like that. Even YouTube. These are very warm leads that are ready to join your business. All right. Now, the step 5 is you're going to meet with a success coach. All right. Step 6 is the onboarding session. right? And then you're going to join our Telegram group. You're going to download the app. All right, now if you want to upgrade, you could always do that as well. All right, and as promised, I'm going to show you another free source of traffic. All right, this is called Web Talk. Now, if you want to join Web Talk, the link is going to be in the description below. This is similar to Facebook and LinkedIn combined. Okay, now you could just this is my news feed. If you want to post your link, you could post it here. All right, and then they have a spotlight where you could blast it to all your followers. All right, and just to give you an example, I'll go ahead and click on my profile, and this is my news feed. All right, you could create a video like I'm doing now, or you could just take your link and with a quote or a YouTube video or something of value. You can't just spam your link on here because they won't allow that. All right. Now, if you want to join the Successful Solution Method and join Web Talk, go ahead and click on the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for viewing my channel.